You're gonna catch the bird? Where did it go? Where did it go? You're gonna catch it?
Cat.
Birds.
Cat. Cat.
Birds.
Cat.
Catch, I know. You want to catch the bird. Oops. That's okay. Do you see any more birds? Do you see any more birds?
Pool.
What?
Pool.
Yeah, water's going to come out of there this summer. Water's going to come out because this is a splash park. So we're going to wear our swimsuits and come here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to come here and water's going to come out of this. Won't that be fun? Or are you lifting it? No, it's stuck in the ground. Where's the birds? Where are they? I know. Where did they go? No, they went bye-bye? Yep, bye-bye. Your hat's on your head. What are you telling them? Why don't you take your hand out of your mouth so you can talk? Are you telling them about the birds? Do you hear the choo-choo? Choo-choo.